Advices for enterprise in 2014. Isn't it scary to be responsible for IT security within a company nowadays? Think about the prison scandal. Think about Edward Snowden. An external contractor was able to grab all the information out of the NSA, which is a very secretive agency. You see all this release of documentation which had NSA top secret classification. How the hell could this happen? How could an external contractor access all the data? I believe that a lot of companies nowadays say, hey, if it happens to the NSA, nothing we could do anymore. We just give up and we don't protect our data anymore. I think that's a wrong approach. It's also the wrong approach to try to create a bigger wall around your company. Because if somebody wants to get in, he will get in. He will try to steal your data. But you need to be more focused on what you really want to protect in an enterprise environment. Could you protect it all? I don't believe so. But you should be able to identify your core data. The data you can't survive without. The data, if it's stolen by a competitor, might ruin your business, might make your business obsolete because it contains all your company secrets, trade secrets, a list of customers which the competition could use. It really depends on what your core is. That's different depending on the industry. And you have to select this by yourself. After you selected your core, you need to ensure that your core is protected. But you can't compromise on the core. You could compromise on other things, but not on the core. Ensure that you protect the core as much as possible. And be safe. Really accept that there is a business risk and that the data needs to be protected. Try to be safe by also educate the users and tell them, if the administrator asks you for your user credentials and passwords, maybe you should ask another one. If you receive an email which sounds too good to be true, don't click on it. So it's a combination of identifying your core, creating the technologies around the core to protect it, but also provide proper user education and tell everybody in the company that your job to make the company safe is a very important role for the IT department, for the IT security folks.